Today we're talking about the most depressed zodiac signs. You know, everybody gets depressed, everybody goes through hard times, and it's not always easy to bounce back. But there are some signs that have a harder time than most. Let's start with number 5. Scorpio is naturally a pessimistic sign, so they expect things to not go well. It's part of their natural disposition. So they're kind of suited to be able to handle things not going well, just because they don't expect things to go well, if that makes sense. However, in intimate relationships, Scorpio is very loyal and very giving, and a lot of times they expect that same energy back. And when they don't get it back, that can really knock them off their feet. If they really have a hard time with betrayal, and they really don't know how to let it go, and it can make them lose hope in humanity. Number 4, Capricorn. Capricorn is a very sensitive sign, even though they look emotionally detached and hard on the exterior. What makes them someone that's more likely to be depressed is because they don't use their resources. Capricorn can be surrounded by lots of family and friends, and they're not opening up to these people about what's going on. They have a hard time communicating how they feel and expressing how they feel and really opening up their emotions. They really keep that world to themselves, and they will be the type that would be looking glorious from head to toe. I mean, like suited up, looking good, like casket ready. Meanwhile, they're like suicidal. Number 3, Libra. Libra does not know how to handle when their life gets chaotic, when they can't control their life to make it harmonious and peaceful and glamorous and beautiful and vibey. Libra loses their shit. You know, it makes me think about Cardi B. She's a perfect example of that. She's a Libra, and I swear every other day she's quitting the music industry. Libra just cannot handle life not being perfect. Number 2, Pisces. Pisces is an overly dramatic water sign. Unlike Scorpio, Pisces actually expects the world to be a better place. They're very dreamy about their expectations of the world. So when things don't go the way that they see, when the rose-colored glasses come off, that really depresses them. They also get very depressed when their own relatives are at war with each other and don't treat each other nicely. It really gets to their heart. And once Pisces is depressed, it's really hard for them to get out of it because they experience everything so dramatically. Like if they're happy, they're super happy. If they're depressed, they're super depressed. So they just swing really deeply into that sadness. And number 1 is Cancer. I'm sure you saw it coming because Cancer loves the hardest. They give 100% of themselves to the people that they love. So when they don't get that energy back, it's really hurtful to them. To make matters worse, Cancer really has a hard time also expressing their feelings. Even though they're good at picking up on your feelings, they have a hard time speaking on their own emotions and exposing themselves emotionally. They can be very moody with a lot of negative emotions, and sometimes that just piles up over time, and they really don't know how to get themselves out of it. It's kind of like a spider caught in the web. Because of this, they're actually the most suicidal out of all the zodiac signs.